Hello all. Today's topic is the living organisms, characteristics and habitats. Here are some important bits. Organisms means living creature. Which type of animals we can see in deserts? Camels. What are the creatures we can see at mountain, desert and water? Ants. Ocean water dissolved in it. Salts. The surroundings where an organism lives is called as habitat. Plants and animals living in a habitat make its biotic component. How much amount of water does a camel excrete? Less. Give one example for not adaptation. Blooming of some flowers at night. Leaves of cactus plants are modified into spines. This helps the plant to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. Presence of special features that help an organism to live in its surroundings is adoption. A characteristic feature of camel that help them to keep their bodies away from heat of the sand in a desert is hard calciferous toes. The plants and animals that live on land are said to live in terrestrial habitats. Give some examples of terrestrial habitats. Forests, grassland, desert, coastal, and mountain region. The plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitats. Give some examples of aquatic habitats. Lakes, rivers, and oceans. Some examples of biotic components. Plants and animals. Some examples of abiotic components. Rocks, soil, air, and water. When a seed turns into a sprout, it is said to be germinated. The leaves of desert plants are either absent or present as spines. Which part of plants can grow into new plants after germination? Seeds. Respiration is essential for all living organisms because it provides them energy to carry out various life processes. Mountain regions are normally cold and windy. Which type of characteristic of plants found in mountain regions? Trees are cone-shaped with sloping branches. What is the characteristic feature of yaks living in mountain region that help them to keep them warm? Long hair. Prey means animal to eat. Animals that hunt and make other animals their prey are called predators. Some sea animals which don't have streamlined structure. Squids and octopus. Which sea animal contains gills? Squids and octopus. Gills are used for use oxygen dissolved in water. Dolphins and whales breathe in air through nostrils or blowholes. Animals that can live in both terrestrial and aquatic habitats are frogs. Rivers, seas, oceans are examples of aquatic habitat. The habitats of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitat. Which type of body shape makes squids during swimming in water? Streamlined. In animals like lions, eyes are present in front of the face. What type of stem contains aquatic plants? Long, hollow, and light. The roots of some terrestrial plants grow deep into the earth in search of water. Green tree frog and stick insect exhibit camouflage. The rock-like structure made from skeletons of small ocean animals are called coral reefs. Changes in our surroundings which make us to respond them are called stimuli. Reproduction in potato can take place through bud. What is the process of getting rid of waste from the body? Excretion. What is the adaptive feature of hydrilla? All plant submerged underwater. Any change in an organism and environment that causes the organism to react is called as stimulus. Write an example for response to stimulus. Withdrawing of hands on touching a hot vessel. Breathing is part of a process called respiration. Animals that lay eggs are called oviparous. Thank you.